Okay, here's a very quick demo of using the Airstep Lite with the Mightier Amp software to control my MightyPlug Pro, or I could control the Mighty Space. It's really super easy. I just sort of stumbled through the settings, scanned for the Midi device, which is the Airstep, and then there's a screen that shows you how to set it up. So right now, I have this one changing the different presets. As you can see, it's scrolling through. So there, going through all of them. Anyway. And then, if you look up here, you'll see me turning effects on and off. On, long press, off. Off the modulation. Right there, just went on, long press, off. Turn the delay on, long press, off. And I think I have this one set up to change amps. Anyway, check it out, very cool. No third-party software required other than Mightier Amp. In other words, you don't need a third-party MIDI controller software that kind of makes things more complicated. Hope that helps.